Opinion best free software to create YouTube videos. 1. OBS for screencasting and camera recording, https://obsproject.com. OBS, Open Broadcaster Software, is a free and open source software that can be used for screencasting and camera recording. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. To use OBS for screencasting and camera recording, you will need to 1. Download and install OBS from the official website. 2. Open OBS and create a new scene. 3. To record your screen, add a display capture source to your scene. 4. To record your camera, add a video capture device source to your scene. 5. Customize the settings for your recording, such as the output format, resolution, and frame rate. 6. Click the Start Recording button to begin your recording. To stop your recording, click the Stop Recording button. Here are some additional tips for using OBS for screencasting and camera recording. Use a high-quality microphone and camera. The quality of your recording will be directly affected by the quality of your microphone and camera. Use a quiet environment. Background noise can be picked up by your microphone and ruin your recording. Use a stable internet connection. If you are streaming your recording, you will need a stable internet connection to avoid buffering and lag. Edit your recording. Once you have finished recording, you can edit your recording using a video editing software. This will allow you to trim the recording, add titles, and remove any unwanted parts. 2. VSDC for video editing, https://www.videosoftdev.com. 3. ChatGPT for scripts, https://openai.com/blog/chatgpt. 4. Canva free for thumbnails, canva.com. 5. VidIQ free for YouTube SEO, https://vidIQ.com. 6. YouTube Music Library for background music. 7. Pexels, Pixabay, Google Images for free images and videos. 8. VoiceMaker for voiceovers, https://voicemaker.in. 9. TubeRanker for descriptions, https://tubranker.com/youtube-description-generator. 10. Lexica for AI art, https://lexica.art.